Hello everyone, we are excited to present the thinker Noam Chomsky, and our group is made of Barbara Pimentel Miranda, Isabella Mandarano, and myself, Stefany Garcia. And in this video, we will refer to the most important topic of Noam Chomsky, such as his biography, contribution about linguistic theory, and relevance to psychology currently. It is important to mention that this thinker is one of the best known philosophers alive today. Yes, he is still alive, and he is best known for his work in linguistics. Chomsky's primary contribution to the field of psychology was to his process of language learning as an important part of the field of cognitive psychology. First of all, Abraham Noam Chomsky was born December 7 in 1928 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, into a middle-class Jewish family. He's a famous American linguistic, philosopher, cognitive scientific, historian, social critic, and political activist. Chomsky attended the school and graduated from the High School of Philadelphia. He enrolled in the University of Pennsylvania and focused his history on linguistics and philosophy. In addition, he spent in Harvard produced not only a prominent thesis, but also led to the eventual publication of one of his most acclaimed books on linguistics, Scale Scientific Structure. In 1955, Chomsky left Harvard to accept position at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, where he obtained a full professorship, and currently he is an institute professor and professor of linguistics. Also, Chomsky still travels regularly and conducts seminars, workshops, and conferences. On the other hand, he is married Carol Doris Shedd, who he has known since childhood. Prior to her death from cancer in 2008, Chomsky's wife was heavily involved in his work, helping to coordinate his speaker schedule. So the couple had two daughters and a son.
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm going to be talking about the thinker's contribution. Noam Chomsky contributed to cognitive psychology, mainly understanding linguistics. His theory is that we are all born with an innate understanding of the way language works. Innate means natural or inborn. This contradicts the idea of philosopher John Locke, who believes in tabula rasa, which is the idea that at birth the mind is a blank slate. Chomsky, however, believed that language comes to us naturally and that we are all born with the basics of language already wired into our brains. He supposed that all languages contain similar structures and rules. He also believed that all children acquire language the same way, no matter which language they speak. Chomsky disagreed with all the other psychologists about linguistics. Many psychologists, such as B.F. Skinner, believe that language was acquired and learned through our environment, yet Chomsky begged to differ. In conclusion, Chomsky contributed to the knowledge of how we develop and learn language and is still relevant in psychology today.
So Noam Chomsky is one of the ones who contributed to the cognitive psychology we study today. Besides contributing with the theory of linguistics, helping in the process of the brain to learn language, he also wrote lectures explaining his theories and the principles of it, such as lectures on government and binding, the Pisa lectures, and 100 more books with his knowledge as an activist, philosopher, scientist, and professor. Why Only Us? Language and Evolution is one of his books with Robert Berwick, which combines the Darwin's idea of graduate change with our understanding about evolutionary change in language, viewing language as a particular in the biological world. That's it. So in conclusion to this video about Noam Chomsky, it was explained about his personal life, his studies, and how he obtained all the knowledge he has given to us over the years. He was and continues to be an individual that contributes to the society in lots of areas, sharing with the world lots of books containing his knowledge and talking his mind in seminars, workshops, and etc. One area in particular for our work is in cognitive psychology, which is with the theory of how our minds work towards language, and books such as Why Only Us, who also contains about language, who we need for cognitive psychology today. So thank you for all your attention and time. Bye.